Today we explain competitive examination question of normality. Question 4 is concentrated H2SO4 has a density of 1.98 gram per ml and is 98% H2SO4 by weight. Its normality is option first is 2n, second is 19.8n, C is 39.6n, D is 98n. In the question, concentrated H2SO4 is solute. Density of solution is 1.98 gram per ml and percent weight of H2SO4 is 98%. We calculate normality. We write percent weight of H2SO4 is equal to 98%. Density of the solution is 1.98 gram per ml. Normality is equal to what? In question, percent weight of H2SO4 is 98%. Density of the solution is 1.98 gram per ml and normality is equal to what? First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of the solute. In the question, H2SO4 is solute. We calculate equivalent weight of H2SO4. We write equivalent weight of H2SO4 is equal to, first of all we write here molar mass of H2SO4. In H2SO4 two hydrogen atom. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 2 and 1 we get 2. In H2SO4 one sulfur atom. Atomic weight of sulfur is 32. We multiply 32 and 1 we get 32. In H2SO4 4 oxygen atom. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 4 we get 64. Upon here we write basicity of H2SO4. In H2SO4 two hydrogen atoms are present. therefore its basicity is 2. Here we write 2. We add upper digit, get 98 upon 2 is equal to 49. We write formula. We select formula normality is equal to percent weight of the solute into density into 10 upon equivalent weight of the solute. This question was asked in MPPET 2002. Here we write the value of percent weight of H2SO4 98. Here we write density of the solution, it is 1.98 into 10. Here we write equivalent weight of H2SO4 49. We remove decimal point. In 1.98 two digits are right in decimal point, therefore 2 0 are present here, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 present. Here we write 19849 into 10. It is cut out by 2. We multiply 2 and 198. We put a decimal point 1 0, therefore we write here decimal point. The answer is 39.6 in option C is correct. Next question is question 5. This question was asked BHU 2005. The normality of 10% weight upon V acetic acid is Option A is 1n. Option B is 10n. Option C is 1.7n. Option D is 0.83n. In the question, percent weight of acetic acid is 10%. Here we write percent weight of acetic acid is equal to 10%. Molecular formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Here we write normality is equal to what? First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of acetic acid. Here we write equivalent weight of CH3COOH is equal to, here we write molar mass of acetic acid. In acetic acid, 2 carbon atom. Atomic weight of carbon is 12. We multiply 2 and 12, we get 24. In acetic acid, 4 hydrogen atom. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 1 and 4, we get 4. In acetic acid, 2 oxygen atom. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 2, we get 32. In acetic acid, 1 hydrogen atom remove, therefore its basicity is 1. We write formula. Normality is equal to percent weight of the solute into 10 upon equivalent weight of the solute. Here we write value of 10. This 10 atomic weight, equivalent weight of the solute is 60. The option C is correct. Next formula we write relation between normality and molarity. Formula first is for acid. Normality is equal to molarity into basicity. For base, normality is equal to molarity into acidity. First question is, this question was asked in IIT JEE 1999 AIMS 230. It is important for Bihar board examination. Question is, the normality of 0.3 m phosphorus acid H3PO3 is option first is 0.1 m, option B is 0.9 n, option C is 0.3 n, option D is 0.6 n. Here write phosphorus acid, therefore this formula is applied. In the formula, normality is equal to molarity into basicity. In the question, molarity of phosphorus acid is 0.3 m. H3PO3 is phosphorus acid. We write molarity of H3PO3 is equal to 0.3 m. Normality is equal to what? Now we calculate basicity of phosphorus acid. Here we write basicity is equal to 2. We write formula. Normality is equal to molarity into basicity. In the question, molarity of phosphorus acid is 0.3 and basicity is 2. Therefore, answer is 0.6 n. It is very important for Bihar board. Next question is, question 2. This question was asked in AIMS 1982, 83 and 91. What is the normality of a 1 m solution of H3PO4 H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. In question, molarity of H3PO4 is 1m. We write molarity of H3PO4 is equal to 1m. ठीक, normality is equal to what? We write basicity. In phosphoric acid, 3 hydrogen atoms are removed in hydrogen ion. Therefore, basicity of H3PO4 is 3. Now we write formula. Normality is equal to molarity into basicity. Molarity is 1 and basicity is 3. Therefore, 3 in answer. Next question we write for HW. This question was asked Karnataka Combined Engineering 230. The normality of 2.3 m H2SO4 solution is. We write here answer and option. The normality of G2.3 m H2SO4 solution is. This value is molarity of H2SO4, which is 2.3 m. Basicity of H2SO4 is 2. We multiply 2.3 and 2, we get 4.6 n. It is answer.